Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 18-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Black MB text interior with a natural crane gray wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Blind spot assist. Heated seats and memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Our keys for our media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel. Dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. The C-Class has 41,409 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.